As we come to the final episode of this series, I'm filled with a mix of gratitude and optimism. I'm Sohith, and as we know, we have already unpacked the complexities of neurodegenerative diseases, from the burden on families to the promise of cutting edge research. We have explored policy gaps, regional efforts across the Gulf, and the transformative power of collaboration between academia, hospitals, and research institutes. But today, we'll look beyond the challenges. We turn our attention to hope. Hope is powered not only by science and medicine, but by the immense potential of artificial intelligence, precision healthcare, and community strength. For families affected by diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, ALS, and more, there are real reasons to believe that the future is brighter than the past. Artificial intelligence is playing a central role in accelerating these advances. AI driven imaging platforms are now capable of detecting neurodegenerative changes long before symptoms appear, picking up subtle biomarkers from brain scans and fluid samples. These early detections allow for timely interventions, sometimes years ahead of traditional diagnosis. More than that, AI is transforming drug discovery. Algorithms can now simulate how molecules interact with these proteins, predicting the success of a drug candidate before it even enters a lab. This reduces both cost and time, turning what used to be a decade long process into a matter of months. And in treatment itself, AI is ushering in precision medicine, where therapies are tailored to an individual's genetic, epigenetic, and lifestyle profile, ensuring better results and fewer side effects.
Science alone, however, isn't enough. The journey of a patient is deeply tied to the support systems around them. Across the Gulf and beyond, we are seeing more investment in community based care, caregiver training programs, AI powered home monitoring systems, and telemedicine platforms that bring expertise to even the most remote areas. Families are no longer alone in this journey. AI powered chatbots can now provide 24 by 7 support, reminding patients to take their medication, helping caregivers manage their schedule, and even detecting mood or behavioral shifts. These tools are not replacements, but they are empowering additions, giving families breathing room and confidence in care delivery.